Dear students, in this module, we are going to talk about the Balochi as one of the regional languages. Balochi as a language is considered one of the oldest living languages of Indo-Iranian group of languages. Balochi is spoken by about 5 million people around the globe as the first language, as well as the second language in different regions like Pakistan, in different regions of Pakistan, as well as in Afghanistan, Iran, India, and Balochistan's other parts. We do have its diaspora communities in the other parts of the world as well. Balochi is the generally divided into the eastern and southern western scripts or the dialectical groups. There are 3% of Pakistani people who can speak Balochi, although they are not very much in number, but Balochi as a language has a very rich cultural heritage. There are two types of Balochi scripts, mainly Suleimani as well as Makrani script. Balochi called Makrani or the southern Balochi is spoken in Makran, the southern region of Balochistan, which is more close to the borders of Iran. Balochi poetry dates back to at least to the middle of the 15th century, which has a very rich vocabulary of Balochi language. During the middle of the 18th century, Jam Durak, the chief poet of the court of Mir Muhammad Nasir Khan of Kallat, wrote many songs and poems that are still sung by the Balochi people. Some of the most important literary figures are Azad Jamaldeen, Ulfat Nasim, Abdul Qadir Shawani, Malik Muhammad Ramzan, and Mir Akil Mengal. Well-known poets, if we talk about, are Jam Darag, Shah Murid, as well as Shadad.